Hey there! Want to start your own YouTube channel? Let me walk you through it step by step. First, create a Google account if you don't have one. Next, head over to YouTube and click on Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your content and personality. Now it's time to customize your channel art and profile picture. Make it eye-catching and true to your style. Once that's done, let's talk about content. Think about what kind of short videos you want to create. Plan your first few video ideas. Keep them fun and engaging. Now, grab your phone or camera and start filming. Keep your videos short and to the point. Around 15 to 60 seconds. Edit your videos using simple software or apps. Add some music and fun effects to make them pop. Finally, upload your videos to your channel. Don't forget to write catchy titles and descriptions. And there you go. You're ready to share your creativity with the world.